Hey everyone, welcome back to the American Seamstress. Today we are going to be talking about a great series that I am introducing, and it is one that I have had in the mental works for quite a long time, and that is machine embroidery. Now, I bet a whole bunch of you out there got a shiny new embroidery machine, maybe one like this, maybe a smaller one, maybe a multi-needle one, who knows? But you might need a little help getting started. So in this series, we're going to take everything in bite-sized chunks. So we're going to talk about things like how to choose an embroidery machine if you don't have one, or maybe you're looking to upgrade. Hoops for your embroidery machine, what sizes you need, or what sizes maybe you want if they didn't come with your machine. Embroidery thread, all the different kinds, embroidery stabilizers, and all those different things. How to pick which embroidery stabilizer, thread, and fabric combination, because sometimes that is the single most daunting process. We're going to talk about needles and why you need lots and lots of needles. And if you're not changing that needle often in your sewing machine, I can see you. You need to change your needle right now if you haven't thought about that in a while. Just checking. We're going to talk about accessories for your embroidery machine because, well, what's life without accessories? They're my favorite part. And we're going to talk about some really small, cheap stuff to have. We're going to talk about good, fun things like scissors and all of the things, basically everything you need to know to get started. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and don't forget, hit the like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you know when all the new parts of this series are coming out, because you're not going to want to miss a single part of this series. And if you are not a beginner, I think you're going to find some stuff that you might like too. See you next time. Happy sewing. Bye.